Hello guys, here is a more video has been came about the full stack web development. And in the full stack web development we started from our front end, and in front end we started from our HTML language. And like in the previous video I told you about in the HTML what are basic examples. So in today's video of the HTML, I'm telling you about very important thing is that I'm telling you about in HTML what are HTML elements. If you don't know what are HTML elements, so series video start to end, and I hope your concept will be clear about it. What are HTML elements in full stack web development in HTML? Okay, so please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also to never miss our any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So without taking your any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's video of HTML, I'm telling you about the HTML elements. If you don't know what are HTML elements, so in today's video, whole concept will be clear about it. So here you can see it. Now let me, like in the previous video, I told you about the some HTML basic examples. So in today's video, I'm telling you about the some HTML elements. So let's learn about it. An HTML element is defined by a start tag and some content and end tag. HTML elements. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to end tag. Like this, there is one start tag and this is the end tag. Examples of some HTML elements. This is one example of the some HTML element, like H1 should be my first heading. Number 2, P means my first paragraph. Start tag like H1 element contain my first heading. Start tag P element content should be my first paragraph. Now start tag BR and the element content should be none. Note that some HTML elements have no content like the BR element. These elements are all called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All documents consist of nested HTML elements. Like the following example contains 4 HTML elements like HTML, body, H1 and P. Like this, here you can see this one example. Now let me copy it and let me come on my Visual Sublime text. Okay. And here we, like in the previous video, I told you about how to write the code. First of all, you write HTML only and then enter press, then it will automatically print your whole code. Okay. Then what you can do, here you write H1. In the H1 you write here this is heading, and then I write like P, and then here I write like this is a paragraph. Then save it and then run it. So like this is one heading and this is a paragraph. Now let's come on it here. Example explain. The HTML element is a root element and it defines the whole document. It has start tag HTML and end tag is like this. This is our end tag. Then inside the HTML element there is body element. Okay, inside the HTML element, let me show you. This is the body element. The body element defines the document's body. It has start tag and it is an end tag. Okay, here you can see it. Then inside the body element there are 2 other elements like H1 and P. Here you can see it. The H1 element defines the heading. It has start tag and end tag also. Like this. The P element defines a paragraph. It has start tag and end tag also like this. Never skip the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly even if you forgot the end tag. Then some HTML element will display correctly even if you forget the end tag. Let me show you. Like the P tag. If you save it and run it, so it is give you that this is a paragraph. Here you can see it. Some HTML element, what it can do, it print it correctly. Here you can see it. Like I told you, some HTML element display correctly even if you forgot the end tag. However, never rarely on this unexpected result and errors may occur if you forget the end tag. Empty HTML elements. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. Like this. Here we define a BR tag, and the BR tag we define a in the P, let me show you. Here we define a line break. And then I'm end my P tag, and when I write here then here I write, when I write here BR tag, BR tag had no end tag. Okay, let me save it in it. So here you can see it is giving me the gap. Here you can see here we define a, then it is giving me the, in the second line to give me the line break like this. BR tag, it is very useful. HTML is not case sensitive. HTML tags are not case sensitive. If okay, tags are not case sensitive. P means the same as P. The HTML standard does not require lowercase tag, but CodeWithPk and recommends lowercase in HTML and demands lowercase for stricter document types like XHTML. Okay, so but in today's video I told you about in the what are HTML elements in the HTML. So I hope your concept will be clear about it, what are elements in HTML. So I hope you are enjoying our full stack web development series, and this third video of it. And in today's video I told you about the HTML elements. I hope you can enjoy this class. If you also, please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all notification bell also so miss over any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So now I meet you next lesson, next very amazing data videos, and full stack web development playlist link in my description. Okay, so but for today, goodbye.